YouTube, what is up? It is your boy Q Souls, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding the bell to turn on notifications so you do not miss when I have videos dropping consistently. Also, drop a like early, you already know the spiel. Helps me out a lot, pushes me to the recommended section so my channel can grow one sub at a time. Very much appreciated. Now, if you tuned into my last video, you already know that I unboxed two absolutely fire pair of shoes, and today's video is going to be the review on, as you can see in the back, the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. I cannot say enough about this shoe. Very, very beautiful shoe. So, let's get right into this. And here we have it, the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. Now, this shoe released way back at the end of October 31st to be exact, for a retail price of $170 in men's and $130 in grade school. Now, I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, I absolutely love this pair, and if you can tell by resale value, just go on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever. The entire sneaker community fell in love with this shoe, and that is mostly because of the Travis Scott hype. Everybody knows that the Travis Scott was the first one to put the mocha type color on a Jordan 1 silhouette and really popularize what the mocha colorway is today. So when Jordan Brand, dropped an Air Jordan 1 with that same mocha color, of course, a different color blocking and a regular check, obviously, everybody went crazy. Release date was heavily botted. This was the most impossible shoe, in my opinion, of 2020. I tried everything in my power. I did all my footwork and was still unable to get a pair. That's how highly sought out this shoe was, and that's how high demand this shoe was, and for good reason. I mean, just look at the colorway. A very, very beautiful shoe. But getting into the details and the colorway, as you can see, the entire front part of the canvas is all that smooth leather. The only part that I would say is kind of tumbled is the toe box, but I do think this leather is very, very soft. Not any premium style things, but it is soft to the touch, something that I am satisfied with, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people who have this sneaker are satisfied. And as you go to the back of the shoe, that entire mocha color is in that suede and nubuck material, super, super soft. And as you can see right now, it does have a little bit of backstroke to it, a slight color change in that and that there. I think that for real, like when people got these in hands, really won this shoe over, because if that part was not good, I don't think this shoe would be reselling for how high it is going now. Some subtle details in the shoe is the part where the Nike check is, that white part around the Nike check is actually white. But if you get to that collar and that small section above the Nike check, as well as the midsole, that is actually a sail color or an off-white color. And I think the mix-up of white and off-white with that mocha and black sits very beautifully. Some more details getting into the shoe. You got the Wings logo in black sitting on top of that mocha color, black Nike check over that white smooth leather, black Nike Air tab with a Nike Air lettering written in that sail colorway. Heading to the bottom of the shoe, you can see that sail midsole as well as an all black outsole. I think that was really good of Jordan Brand to add that black outsole, because if it was sail on top of sail or sail on a white midsole, this shoe would definitely not look as good as it does. And last but not least, this shoe does come with black laces as well as an extra set of laces in that sail colorway. Me personally, I think the sail laces look 10 times better than the black laces, but obviously it's all personal preference, so to each his own. But if I did have this personal pair, I would definitely be rocking those sail laces without a question. Now, my overall opinion on this shoe, I give it a 10 out of 10. No flaws. Absolutely love this shoe. Like I said, the only thing that I would change is these black laces, I'm putting the sale pair that comes with the shoe in them. Not something that you can really knock because they come with the extra set of laces. So with that being said, 10 out of 10. This is a perfectly executed shoe. I love that black toe color blocking on this. I really got to get my own personal pair. That's all I got to say. Like, I have to get my personal pair. I have to get my hands on this. A very, very beautiful silhouette. Very well executed. And I can see what people are talking about when they say that this is the Air Jordan 1 of the year. In previous videos, I stated I believe the biohacks are #1, but I get it. I get it. Everybody out there, I get it 100%. This here, definitely up there. I will put biohacks 1A, these 1B, and they're interchangeable. That's just a very beautiful silhouette. This shoe is not going to do anything but go up in price. So like whatever it is right now, I think whoever has the money for that. I ain't got it. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna front like, hey, I ain't got it. But if you can get your hands on a pair right now, definitely the time to go snag a pair. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Air Jordan 1 Mochas. Sorry there is not an on foot. Not my personal pair. Shout out my plug Ink Kid 23 for tossing me over his pair to get in this super late review. But hey, you get the shoes whenever you can. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. And before we leave, you know we got to end off with a quote. And today's quote is, choose to shine. In this social media filled world, in such a judgmental society, it is okay to choose to shine your light, to shine as bright as you can. There are so many people that don't even know you, and people that do know you that is just waiting for you to fall and waiting to criticize you at every moment. But don't let that dim your light at all. Choose to shine the brightest, and keep moving forward no matter what goal or what task or what journey you're on. Everybody has their own life, so choose to shine and keep going. And with that being said, you know the quote, you know the motto. Aim high, spread love. I'm out.